So in this video I'm going to dictate two types of pili, and you are going to note it down and also understand it, because I'm not going to write it because I think these are the two important things, but notes is not needed. If you understand the thing and little bit what I'm telling, note it down and learn it, then it's enough. Okay, so last day we have completed with pili and fimbri difference. Today we are going to see what is type 4 pili. This type 4 pili facilitates specific adhesion and help in colonization. So this type 4 pili allows to do specific adhesion. First understand, then I will dictate. Okay. Type 4 pili facilitates specific adhesion. Adhesion means adhesive. You know what is adhesive? Used for sticking. Yes. So it type 4 pili facilitates specific adhesion, specific sticking, and help in colonization. Now also help in colonization. Colonization means forming a colony of specific host tissues where they invade, of the colonization of the specific host tissues where they get in. Hence it has been facilitator for certain human pathogens. So it is the facilitator for certain human pathogens. It is facilitator for certain human pathogens including gram-negative pathogen, Vibrio cholerae, Neisseria gonorrhoeae, and gram-positive pathogens, Streptococcus pyogenes. So it has been facilitator. It facilitates certain human pathogens which are including gram-negative Neisseria gonorrhoeae, Vibrio cholerae, and gram-positive pathogens like Streptococcus pyogenes. Okay. Next, type 4 pili support unusual form of cell movement called twitching motility. Type 4 pili move from one place to another by unusual form of motility, which is called twitching motility. This is called twitching motility. Yes. Type 4 pili also mediates genetic transfer by the process of transformation. It mediates genetic transfer not by conjugation. It does by transformation. And type 4 pili are widespread in the group Archaea, functioning surface adhesion and cell aggregation events that lead to biofilm formation. So it is widespread in the Archaea and it helps in surface adhesion and cell aggregation events that lead to biofilm formation. Yes. Next we are going to see Hami. What is Hami? It's an unusual group of Archaea, the SM1 group. Okay, in a group of Archaea which is called the SM1 group forms a unique attachment structure, and this attachment structure is called Hamus, or plural is called Hami, Hami. Hemi function to affix cells to the surface to form a network of biofilm. Hemi allows the cell to affix to the surface and help in the formation or network of a biofilm. Okay, so this is what is called Hemi, right? So type 4 pili and Hemi, I'm going to dictate it to you. So type 4 pili, give a heading type 4 pili in my notes, wherever you are writing my notes from the first class. Whosoever is following it, they can write his notes, and others who are not taking the notes can leave the class right now, because I've explained it. Now I'm going to dictate it only. Okay. Type 4 pili. Give the heading type 4 pili. First point. Type 4 pili facilitates specific adhesion. Type 4 pili facilitates specific adhesion and help in colonization. Type 4 pili facilitates specific adhesion and help in colonization to specific host tissues. I am repeating again from the first. Type 4 pili facilitates specific adhesion and help in colonization to specific host tissues where they invade. Full stop. Where they invade. Full stop. Hence it has been facilitator. Hence, comma, it has been facilitator. Hence, comma, it has been facilitator for hence, comma, it has been facilitator for certain human pathogens including gram-negative pathogens. Hence, it has been facilitator for certain human pathogens including gram-negative pathogens, Vibrio cholerae, Vibrio cholerae, Vibrio, Vibrio, Cholerae, Cholerae. Underline, this is a scientific name, comma, Neisseria gonorrhoeae, Nei, Nei, SS, SS, Eria, Eria, Neisseria, Neisseria gonorrhoeae, Gonorrhoeae, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Underline, this is also a scientific name. And gram-positive pathogens. Streptococcus pyogenes. And gram-positive pathogens, that is Streptococcus pyogenes. ST, REP, TO, CO, CCUS, Streptococcus pyogenes, PYOGENS, PYOGENS. Underline, this is also a scientific name. So what is the first point? I am repeating, check it, you have written it or not. Type 4 pili facilitates specific adhesion and help in colonization to specific host tissues where they invade. Hence, it has been facilitator for certain human pathogens including gram-negative bacteria, Vibrio cholerae, Neisseria gonorrhoeae, and gram-positive pathogens Streptococcus pyogenes. Okay, very good. Next point, number 2. Type 4 pili also support unusual form of cell movement called twitching motility. Full stop. This is the second point. What is the second point? I am repeating again. Type 4 pili facilitated unusual form of cell movement called twitching motility. Okay. Third point. Type 4 pili also mediates genetic transfer by the process of genetic transfer by the process of transformation. Transformation. Very good. I am repeating the third point. Type 4 pili also mediates genetic transfer by the process of transformation. Next, point number 4. Type 4 pili are widespread in archaea. Comma, ARCHAE, archaea. Archaea, comma, functioning surface adhesion, and cell aggregation, AGGREGATION, and cell aggregation events that lead to biofilm formation. I am repeating the fourth point. Type 4 pili are widespread in archaea, functioning surface adhesion and cell aggregation events that lead to biofilm formation. This was your entire type 4 pili. Next, give the heading Hami, Hami. Students, on your caption, there is an option to on your captions. So you can on your caption. So whatever I am dictating, maybe if you are having problem by my dictation, not understanding anything, the captions will show you whatever I am saying. Okay, and match it what I am saying and what it is showing. Sometimes it shows rubbish. So just have a look, like when I am dictating on the caption, so you can check both and then write it. Okay, and also I am dictating the easiest spellings also. Okay, if you know also, I think you know the spellings, still I am dictating because you don't write anything wrong. Next, give the heading Hami, Hami, Hami. Under that, write first point, an unusual group of archaea. An unusual, on the captions, okay, an unusual group of archaea, 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 comma, the SM1 group. Which group? The SM1 group, comma, forms a unique attachment structure forms a unique attachment structure called HAMUS. Forms a unique attachment structure called HAMUS, HAMUS. In bracket write plural. In bracket write plural Hami, 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 bracket close. So what is the first point? I'm repeating: an unusual group of archaea, the SM1 group forms a unique attachment structure called HAMUS, in bracket plural Hami. Second point, right? Hami function to affix cells to a surface. Hami function to affix cells, AFFIX, affix cells to a surface to form a network biofilm, to form a network, biofilm. I'm repeating the last point. Hami function to affix cells to a surface to form a network biofilm. Hami function to affix cells to a surface to form a network biofilm. So this was your typhopili and Hami, very short thing, therefore I dictated it, I didn't wrote it, and I hope so you all have written by the dictation. If you're having problem on the captions, still if you're having problem, then when I'll give the notes, then you can write it. For the time being, you can understand it. So please students, show some love. Please do like, share and comment. Whatever you don't understand, you comment me. I will try to answer it within hours, I promise. And whatever problem you are having, any doubts, you can ask that also. And also, if you do not have any doubts, you can just show some appreciation to me, so that I can upload more and more videos and feel encouraged, like, yeah. And please press the bell icon, so whenever new video comes, you can see it and study it, right? Thank you so much.